Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by proving the URL is truly expired. Check the signed URL parameters and note the expiry timestamp and signer identity. Then verify the key or key ID used for signing. If you don't have it, ask the owner or check your key management. Once done, reproduce the failing request so you have a concrete error and timestamp. Make sure to capture any headers and the exact query string. This information is essential for regenerating or troubleshooting signatures next. Now generate a fresh signed URL. Use the documented signing algorithm, include all required headers and the exact canonicalized path, and sign with the correct key. At the same time, check for clock skew between signer and client. If clocks differ by even a few seconds, some services reject signatures. Sync to NTP and retry. Once a valid URL is created, test immediately. If you need longer access, extend the TTL carefully, balancing security versus convenience, and rotate keys per. Finish by deploying the regenerated URL, and, if relevant, purge CDN caches so old signed responses don't persist. Monitor your access logs to confirm successful validation and watch for repeated signature failures that indicate a deeper issue like wrong key use or altered headers. If problems continue, recheck canonicalization steps, exact path, query order, header normalization, and percent encoding. One quick troubleshooting tip: temporarily increase logging level to capture the server-side signature input and compare it to your client's canonical string to spot mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.